Today I am demonstrating speech recognition with Emacs by using external scripts in shell. However, I could also make it in Emacs. Now in this way we are just demonstrating the start of development of such a system. I have here an assistant. I can ask assistant to listen to me and then to talk. I am talking, assistant is transcribing. As you see, assistant transcribed exactly this what I said, which is a great thing, not so? And I have of course other functions, but now we are talking about speech recognition. So basically I can speak in English. I can say, for example, continuous speech. Now whatever I speak, it is recorded. It is very similar like dictation. And it works in such a way that when I say something, I should actually finish my thought and then make a pause. This is like a dictation system, not really word by word, even though it would be possible to make it word by word. As you see, the system works well until I say the secret command. And the command is, please stop recording. Well, I'm now not sure if this really stopped recording, but at least nothing is appearing now. So when I said please stop recording, that is when it stopped recording. This system is using NVIDIA Canary 1 billion parameter model. No, it's not here. Okay, we have here one link which is maybe talking about NVIDIA Canary 1 billion parameter model, and that model is basically supporting German, Spanish, French, and which else I forgot, maybe Italian, I don't know, English, yeah, sorry. Now those languages are natively supported. That means if I want to talk in German, it's going to transcribe, and if I want to talk in German, it can transcribe in Spanish, French or English. If I talk in English, it can transcribe in other languages, all kind of combinations. Now we can see the example. I'm just talking English and it is transcribing to German. It did not translate this word correctly. Okay, that can be now, but maybe there are too many noises around me and there is a problem, of course. Let's try again. I am talking now and everything I talk is being transcribed to German language. Okay, that shows that it is working very good. French as well. I can talk in French, in English, and it's going to be transcribed in French language. Those languages which are not supported, like for example Chinese, I can speak in English and it's going to be translated to Chinese by using Microsoft Phi language model. Okay, it gave some output which I did not want, but in general I'm sure that it's not happening too many times, sometimes. So I know that this is the original translation here. So this works by providing basically speech. It is either transcribing straight into one of these 4 languages, or I am translating it to some other language like Russian. Thank you so much, and see you next time.